Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur and we are going to solve SQL LeetCode 50 questions, and today we are on our 17th question. So let's dive in. So the question is pretty simple actually. Question name is project employees 1. Okay, we have two tables over here, project and the employee. In project I have two columns, project ID and the employee ID. That's it. In employee I have employee ID, name and the experience years. Okay. Write a SQL query that reports the average experience years of the employees for each project, rounded to 2 digits. Okay, so it's not that tough question, but you understand the question first. So I want to calculate the average, which means there is some mathematical calculation involved. Okay, of the experience years, right, for each project. So for each project they have mentioned, which means I need to group it by the project, then round it to 2 digits. Okay, let's see what in which companies this has asked. It says asked in Amazon and Facebook. Okay, so I need only this much information. Let's dive in. So first we'll select the columns which I need, which is the project ID and the average years. Okay, project ID, comma, I don't have a column for average years, so I need to create one, and in that column I need to calculate the average of the experience years, right? So I need to calculate the average, which means I'll use the round function in which I need to calculate the average of what? Of the experience years, right? Of experience years, correct, from the employee table. Now I wanted to round it to 2 decimal places, so comma 2. Okay, we'll call this column as average years because they've mentioned over here like that, average years. Okay, now we have calculated what we wanted. Now I'll tell from what I need. So I have two tables over here, right? So I need to join these two tables, project and the employees. Now we see what is the common column over here on which I can join this. So I have employee ID or an employee ID present in both the tables. So I'll join it using employee ID. Okay, from project I'll name the project table as P. Okay, now you can see like since they have asked for each project, which means I need the whole project table, so I'll left join it over here, right? Left join, which means I'll get the whole left table and these common rows from the right table, which is the employee table. Employee, I'll name this table E. Okay, using because it is easier. I could do like this as well, right? On P dot employee ID, which is equal to E dot employee ID, but this is too much words, right? So I'll just simply say using employee ID. This also works. From this, now I need to group it, right? Because they have asked for each project. If I don't do that, then it will give me a wrong answer. I can show that as well. Let's see if we run this. I got the wrong answer because in output I got only for one project, but I need for each project, right? So I'll group it. Group by the project ID. Project ID. Spelling mistake. Now let's try to run this. Accepted. Let's try to submit. And it is accepted. It beats 70% of the users. Nice. So yeah guys, this was the 17th question. So the key takeaway from this question was just this line. Rest we have seen it before as well. I have done nothing else, like I've selected this column from this, so I've just joined the two tables based on a common column, then I'm grouping it. That is it. but I had the key was how am I calculating the average, right? So I'm using the average function and using the round function as well, right? One more thing, yeah, here I'm directly using average function, but I could even do this manually also. Like I could say sum of these and upon the number of rows, right? I could do that as well, but that is obviously too much work for us. So we are using average directly because it's given in the SQL functions. So yes guys, this was the 17th question of SQL 50 from LeetCode. I hope you are liking my solutions and everything. Do like and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.